Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can add HBO to your Hulu subscription. It's a pretty easy process. You need to go to hulu.com, and I'll link this website right at the top of the video description. But once you're on this page, go and click the little menu in the upper right-hand corner, and then click on where it says Login. And then, of course, log in with your email and password to your Hulu account. And then once you're logged in, go over and hover over the name of your account and go down to where it says Account and click on that. And then once you're on your Manage Account page, just scroll down to the bottom. And then under the Your Subscription area, go down to where it says Add-ons and click Manage Add-ons. And then this is where you can add things like HBO, Showtime, Cinemax, and Starz. So if you want to get HBO, click the little plus sign and then click on Review Changes. And then it will go over your billing. So essentially, it will prorate that HBO subscription through the rest of your current Hulu subscription that you have. And then at the start of your next cycle, you'll be charged the full amount. And then once everything looks good to you in terms of the billing, you can go ahead and click Submit. And then that should add HBO to your Hulu subscription. So I hope this video was helpful. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel and hope to see you guys back here for future videos.